To our Prashant online school. My name is Prashant Kumar Tamde. I am assistant teacher in Sri Bhairavnath Vidyalay, Vanpuri. Please share, subscribe and click on bell icon to give new videos of this channel. Standard 10th Mathematics Part 1st, chapter number 1st is the linear equation in two variables. In previous lecture, we have to studied elimination method and graphical method of solving simultaneous equations. Now, today I will teach you determinant methods or Cramer's rule. Before teaching Cramer's method, first we have to see the meaning of determinant and find the value of determinant. What is mean by determinant? Determinant contain four elements which are arranged in specific method for particular numbers. For example, ABCD are the four elements which are arranged in specific method for particular numbers. In this determinant contain two rows and two columns, therefore the degree of the given determinant is 2. The degree of the determinant is 2 because there are two elements in each rows. Which elements? AB and CD, and two elements in each column, AC and BD, therefore the degree of the given determinant is 2. Next, find the value of determinants as follows. Determinant contain element is A, B, C, D. The first column contain element is AC and second column contain element is BD. Therefore, the product of first element of first column into second element of second column minus product of second element of first column into first element of second column. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is A into D minus B into C. Determinants are usually represented with capital letters A, B, C, etc. Find the values of the following determinants. First example is 4, 3, 2, 7. First gives the name of the given determinants. Therefore, D is equal to 4, 3, 2, 7. Next, the product of first element of first column into second element of second column minus product of second element of first column into first element of second column. Therefore, D is equal to 4 into 7 minus 3 into 2. Therefore, D is equal to 28 minus 6. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is 22. Therefore, D is equal to 22. Next example is 5 minus 2 minus 3, 1. In this determinant, the product of first element of first column into second element of second column minus product of second element of first column into first element of second column. Therefore, D is equal to 5 into 1 minus inside the bracket minus 3 into minus 2. Therefore, D is equal to 5 into 1, 5 minus inside the bracket both these two numbers having same sign. Therefore, in multiplication, if two numbers having same sign, then the product is always positive number of these two numbers. Therefore, 5 minus 6, and D is equal to these two numbers having different sign. 5 having positive sign and 6 having negative sign. Therefore, both these two numbers having different sign. Therefore, subtraction will be takes place. Therefore, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 and 6 is the bigger number having minus sign. Therefore, answer is minus. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is minus 1. Next, determinant methods or Cramer's rule. First, let's a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 is the equation first. Equation second, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is the equation second. If two given simultaneous equation, then first to calculate three determinants values. First one is the determinants D. Contain element is a1, a2, b1, b2. It means coefficient of x variable and coefficient of y variables. These elements are contained in determinant D. The position of a1, a2 and b1, b2 remains constant. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is a1 into b2 means first element of first column into second element of second column minus second element of first column into first element of second column. Therefore, value of the given determinant is a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Next, find the value of dx. Dx contained element is coefficient of y variable and constant term except coefficient of x variable. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is c1 into b2 minus c2 into b1. Next, contain dy determinant. In dy determinant contains element is coefficient of x variable and constant term. Therefore, in first column a1, a2. Therefore, position of the a1, a2 remains constant. In second column contain element is c1, c2. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is a1 into c2 minus a2 into c1. Step to solve the simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. First step is write the given equation in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Next step, compare the given equation with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 gives the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. Next step, find the value of t which contain element a1, a2, b1, b2. Means value of the given determinant is a1 into b2 minus b1 into a2. Next step, find the value of dx which contain element is c1, c2, b1, b2. Therefore, value of the given dx determinant is c1 into b2 minus c2 into b1. Next step, find the value of dy which contain element is a1, a2, c1, c2. The value of dy is a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Next step, find the value of x using x is equal to dx upon d. Next step, find the value of y using dy upon d, and last, the value of x and y are solution of given equations. For example, solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule or methods. First equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. First, write down the given equation in a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Here already given these two equations are already given in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Therefore, numbering the given equation, first equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Next, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Next step, compare the given equation with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 gives value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 10. Similarly, value of a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 5. Next step, find the value of d which contain element is a1, a2, b1, b2. Substituting the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 gives 3, 4, minus 4 and 3, means value of a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 4, value of b1 is equal to minus 4, b2 is equal to 3. Then the value of the given determinant is the product of first element of first column into second element of second column minus product of second element of first column into first element of second column. Therefore, 3 into 3 minus inside the bracket minus 4 into 4. Therefore, 3 into 3 9 minus inside the bracket both these two numbers having different sign. Therefore, in multiplication, if two numbers having different sign, then the product of these two numbers is always negative numbers. Therefore, here minus 16. If outside the bracket having minus sign, therefore the sign will be changed inside the bracket of each term. Therefore, 9 plus 16. Therefore, the value of the d is equal to 25. Next step, find the value of dx which contain element is c1, c2, b1, b2. Substituting value of c1, c2, b1, b2, we get dx is equal to 10, means value of c1 is equal to 10, c2 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 4 and b2 is equal to 3. Find the value of the given determinants. 10 into 3 minus 5 into inside the bracket minus 4. Therefore, 10 into 3 is 30 minus, if two numbers having different sign, the product of these two numbers is always negative numbers. Therefore, minus 20. Therefore, 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Therefore, the value of dx is equal to 50. Next step, find the value of dy. dy contain element is a1, a2, c1, c2. Therefore, substituting value of a1, a2, c1, c2, we get value of a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 4, c1 is equal to 10 and c2 is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is 3 into 5 minus 4 into 10 is equal to 3 into 5 15 minus 10 into 4 is 14. Though both these two numbers having different sign, therefore subtraction will be take place. Therefore, dy is equal to 40 minus 15 25, but 40 is the bigger number having minus sign, therefore answer is minus. Therefore, dy is equal to 25. Next step, find the value of x. X is equal to dx upon d. Therefore, the value of dx is equal to 50 and value of d is equal to 25. Therefore, 50 upon 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2. Next, find the value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. The value of dy is equal to minus 25. Value of dy is equal to minus 25. d is equal to 25. 10 to 5 ones are 25. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 2 minus 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equations.